Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into smart income. Today, we're building an incredible system, automating your blog using AI writers and Zapier. If you've ever wished your blog could keep publishing even when you're busy or asleep, this system is going to change everything. It's simple, repeatable, and perfect for beginners. Imagine waking up and finding a fully written blog post waiting for you. The idea is chosen, the article drafted, the formatting done, and you didn't write a single word. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that system using ChatGPT and Zapier. It's just 3 steps: building your AI writer prompt, setting up your Zapier auto writer, and turning it into a hands-off publishing engine. Most people stop blogging because writing takes forever. This system solves that problem, giving you a 24/7 writing assistant. AI solves writer's block, and Zapier connects the dots. Together, they allow you to generate topics, draft articles, auto-create images, save content, and push posts to your CMS automatically. Here's the exact tool stack you'll need: ChatGPT, Zapier, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Canva or Pictory for images, and optionally, WordPress or Ghost for auto-publishing. None of this requires coding. Let's start with the AI writer prompt, because this is the brain of the entire system. Getting this right is crucial for high-quality content. Use this prompt. You are an SEO-focused blog writer. Write a 600 to 800 word article optimized for the keyword, your topic. Ensure your prompt includes a conversational tone, short paragraphs, 3 headings, bullet points, and a call to action at the end. Save this prompt so you can easily copy it into Zapier. Now let's build your Zap, which is the automated workflow that connects your tools and runs the process. Inside Zapier, create a brand new Zap and set your trigger to Google Sheets, new row added. Your sheet only needs 1 column called Topic. Every time you add a new topic, your AI writer wakes up. Your first action is ChatGPT. Paste the writer prompt you saved earlier and insert the topic from your spreadsheet. Zapier will now generate a full article based on your input. Your second action is Google Docs. Choose Create Document, title the file based on your topic, and insert the generated article. In seconds, you have a neatly formatted, ready-to-edit blog post. If you want to take it even further, let's automate your images and set up optional auto-publishing. Add one more action for Canva or Pictory. Choose Create Image from Template, upload your template, and Zapier will insert your topic text, export the image, and send it where you need it. Add an optional third action for WordPress or Ghost. Choose Create Draft, and your article will automatically appear inside your blog as a fresh draft waiting for your final review. Just like that, you've built your very own AI writer. You provide the ideas, AI writes the content, Zapier handles the workflow, and your blog grows on autopilot. While you can turn on auto-publish, I personally recommend reviewing each post before it goes live. Your human touch, your tone, personality, and insight keeps your content trustworthy. If you want more money-making AI systems like this, download the free AI Money Starter Kit using the link below. It's your 1-hour guide to earning your first $50 with AI. Thanks for watching.